Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make SteamVR less laggy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically SteamVR lag typically happens when your PC struggles to handle the high performance demands of virtual reality. This can be due to a few different reasons. So hardware limitations like a weak graphics card, underpowered CPU, or insufficient RAM. Often SteamVR may also set the render resolution too high, which is overloading your GPU. Background apps such as Chrome, Discord, or antivirus programs can consume resources, causing further slowdowns. So if you're using a wireless headset like Quest 2 or 3, lag might result from Wi-Fi interference or low streaming bitrate. So now in order to fix this, what we need to do is open up SteamVR. So I'm going to type in SteamVR, and then from here you want to go ahead and right click it, and then click into properties. From here we want to go to updates, and then from here, go to betters, and then from here it says better participation on the far right. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu and click on better SteamVR update. Now click out of that, and then from here go ahead and make sure this is updating. Alright, and now there's one more thing we need to do. So click on your Windows key, type settings, and then open up settings. Then from here we want to go ahead and click into display here. So system, click onto display. Now once you're inside here, scroll down and click into under related settings, click into graphics. And now if you've got the option of hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, so if you go into advanced graphics, just go ahead and disable that. Now we want to do this because some SteamVR and certain headsets don't always play nicely with this toggled on.